They do it in different times. They had to save the locker to put the clothes. After they came out from her condition, they went to join themselves to the culture. Well, we come all the time. Jacuzzi here.
This is the private
It's
sauna.
all covered. It was broken, destroyed by the British Gondar. You see, there is a 4 square one here. This was their jacuzzi. A water is coming from a pipe, and they immerse themselves there. They're rinsing their body. It doesn't create like a modern bubble, like a bubbles. It doesn't create like a foam because they don't use a bar of soap detergent that time. They use fresh water that time. It's all covered. And now it's broken and it stays like this. It's very hollow one. Pure water they use. Yeah, they use other means. They don't use like there is a hop, a kind of leaves they use, as well.
Oh, this is
A
incredible.
kind of lemon, something. Yeah, the leaves.
A leaf also.
Now, my brother, this is incredible.
Yeah.
Now, where did the Ethiopians get this idea of doing all of this work?
From before they built this one, the local people they use bring stones from the rivers and they make at home to beautify themselves. Even we do it this time. The church goes this time.
So basically, they didn't get it. Our people didn't get this from the Greeks or the Romans.
No,
That wasn't a Roman bath.
no.
Appreciate it.
But in different countries they have different names. Roman baths, Turkish baths, sauna or a steam bath or spa. We call it local name Wusheba, meaning to beautify someone.
So basically, the rest of the world got this idea from Ethiopia, because
Actually, we don't know. Maybe it can be from Ethiopia, Yeah.
because even when I went to Egypt and we were documenting the history, it was no knowledge of anything like you just shared with us.
Yeah.
Wow.
Powerful.
Also, Egyptian history is African history,
Is there a chronology of all of the Ethiopian rulers somewhere? An unbroken chronology where you see their whole listing of all of them?
Yeah, you can find in the old time, in the new time, from time of Menelik to here.
And this is
different,
probably protected in the monasteries?
Yeah, in the manuscripts, in the parchments we have. Yeah.
Wonderful.
They have different names, Sometimes people they're confused because they have different names, Some it would be like religious name, some would be like secular name, and they have another name as well. For example, King Izana and Saizana. Before they are Christian, their name is Izana and Saizana, the greatest king, Aksumite king. But as soon as they became Christian, the first Aksumite king to be accept Christianity in the 4th century, then they changed the name. Abraham and Azbah. Sorry. Abraham is like a light. Abraham, and Azbah is like a dawning star.
Okay.
One is the older, the other the youngest one. The morning star.
That's the king and the queen.
The king. They are two brother kings.
Oh, two brother kings.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So in the same way, in the likeness of them, there is also different names like having.
Yeah, we'll have to locate that chronology.
Okay, let's go to the 5th castle. And then there is the last one.
So we change, we send him shuttle service of dollar. Okay? So we wait out of the take. Yeah, we're going to ask him about this one. Okay, and I think I tried to add, but got no response until before my phone got home. If you stand with him, I can sit together. Drop down there.